Did you know billions seek online success but often fail? Today, discover how biblical principles can attract free traffic to your business, rooted in God's Word. Everyone wants free traffic, but competition is fierce. Many feel trapped, thinking they must pay for ads. Yet God's Word offers a path to business success. Galatians 6:7 teaches, "A man reaps what he sows." In business, this means growth comes from the value you provide. Create helpful content to build customer loyalty. Matthew 20:28 reminds us, "The Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve." Engage genuinely with others' work, offering insights and advice to build authentic relationships. Proverbs 28:20 says, "A faithful person will be richly blessed." Consistently produce valuable content, trusting God for growth. Over time, your efforts will yield free traffic. Apply these biblical strategies, sowing and reaping, serving others, and giving without expectations. You'll attract free traffic and honor God in your business. Share your experiences in the comments.